Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Ambitious Coder, and today I'm gonna be building a login screen using Kotlin and XML. And it's not just about coding, you are going to witness a real developer experience where I have faced a problem and had to debug it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the project we created in the previous video. Let's go ahead, open up the activity main XML file and change the UI to have a login screen consisting of two edit texts and a button. Let's give the components proper ID names and set hint texts and give the edit text their proper input type. As example, using text password type for password field enables hiding the user input automatically as he types. As you have noticed, everything edited in the XML code side is reflected in real time in the XML display side. Since we are using a constraint layout, we need to add constraints to the components in order to position correctly as needed on the screen. Make sure to set the layout width to 0 dp if you want the component to take the full screen width. Let us set some margins and paddings so that the UI is more pleasant. Adding a color to the background as well gives the screen a nice touch. We can do the following by entering the hex code of the color or simply use the color picker to pick a color. Now that our UI is done, let us write the logic needed for login screen to function properly. Let's remove the existing previous code we had and initialize our newly added components. Let's go ahead and add a condition to get the login failure and success experiences. Let's start off by retrieving the texts from the edit text and write a condition that checks if the user has entered any fields or not and display a success or failure toast accordingly. Let's run the app to check our results. Now that our code is working, let's make the experience a bit realistic. Cause in a real app, you don't get access easily without entering proper credentials. So let's make the condition a bit better to include a name and password check on button click. For the purpose of this video, the name and password are hard-coded and I chose the name to be John and the password 321. However, in a real-life experience, in a real-life application, these are not to be hard-coded in this way as this is obviously not the secure way to handle it. For some reason, the condition did not work as expected. Let's go ahead and debug what went wrong and understand what caused this misbehavior to happen. One of the ways to debug the app is using the logcats, where we add logs in our code that get printed in the logcat console. After debugging and adding logs to print out the variables I have used in the conditions, I noticed I was using the wrong variables. As I have used the edit text component variable instead of the text retrieved from it. Such mistakes happen even to the best of us. Do not be afraid of making mistakes, as this is the best way to learn and grow. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more coding tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.